understanding how not to waste steel, how to use the machines that we have to bend things the way you want them, to roll things, to cut, to shape, everything. And welding is just one aspect of it. Because even when you go out as a welder, you still have to learn, let's just say pipelines, you have to learn your fit up. So there's a level of fabrication in there. Somebody may cut the pipe, somebody may bevel the pipe, but you still have to know how to fit it up. You have to put it together so it's correct. And that's no different than anything else. Welding is just one component of a bigger picture. Welding is something that is part of so many of those components, you know, and the list is so long. If you get into custom cars, motorcycles, underwater, pipeline, marine-based, boats, ships, aerospace. I had a young lady last year. She wanted to be here before she got here. She wanted to get into the medical field, but really enjoyed the fabrication and the welding. What happens in the medical field that needs our process? She was a smart girl, and she sat and went through it all. She's like, well, you know, all the racks, the carts that hold oxygen tanks, the gurneys. I said, yeah, that's all fine and dandy, and that's usually mass produced, and that's a factory type job. Take your mind out of the box. What else? And I said, doesn't matter if it's two-legged or four-legged. And within seconds, she's prosthetics. There you go. You just opened up a whole new world for yourself.